also almost has links to subscribers. So go watch your girlfriend and your parent YouTube account and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you later. This video, I'm going to be recreating different natural disasters using Lego. I'm just showing it again. Okay, so let's start with the first Lego item to experience it. This is a $300 Lego Ferris wheel set I bought. Like any other Ferris wheel, it spins. So like any curious person, I want to see how fast this can actually spin. So let's simulate a tornado, and I'm on this big blow. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Only one was taking long. But I wasn't satisfied enough yet, so I went in for a second round, thinking closer with the big blow. Wow, I'm actually really surprised we didn't race center than that. Thank goodness. This piece is almost pulled off. This thing spun way faster than I thought it would. And while I go ahead and clean up this giant mess, let's continue to our next natural disaster. This is a tiny Lego town using little Lego pieces, minifigures, and sets from the 1980s. So what the people of this town don't realize is I'm about to simulate some natural disaster talk. Let's start with something easy. How about a rainstorm? Dang, this town looks pretty trippy now. Okay, now what would happen if there rained cats and dogs? That literally did nothing. Okay, what about acid rain? Apparently lemonade's very acidic, so let's try it. It smells so good right now. Now let's step it up a notch. What about hail? That's so much damage, even Flex Steel couldn't fix that. I think this town has a hospital because it's definitely going to be one after all these disasters we're about to do. How about 100% liquid death? Oh yeah, it was so deathly. No, just kidding. That was also really lame. What about purple rain? Oh yeah, what about knocking with the chance of meatballs? Okay, I feel like I'm basic right now. I can't believe I just did all that. These things are still smiling at me. No, I think this town's had enough torture, so let's move to the next one. Another Lego set I bought is the $80 Lego Coast Guard set. This Lego set, it comes with 3 sharks.
नान पापा सो गए तो कार लेते ना अंदर जाने बाद फोन कम करो
Time to look up the next item. This is a $20 Lego Turkey Safari set, and like a lot of places in Africa, temperatures will be very hot. So another natural disaster I want to test is heat. And since I don't live in a hot place like Africa, there's only one place in my house that's not hot. It's very hot. Okay, now pretty much did nothing. You just make a piece of wood. Thank you, Grandma, for microwaving my food. Another natural disaster is fire. So kids, please don't do this while I might want to be parents telling me other house got burned down. Another natural disaster is a blizzard. So let's see what happens when this thing is getting dangerous. Some water without this thing. Dang, look at all that ice on it. It's even dripping now. This next Lego set is based on Minecraft. It's a tiny desert building set covered with 2 villagers, 1 farm, and a house, and a bell tower. And because this is a village in the desert, it gets very hot, which means a drought will happen. So I'm going to simply take away all these villagers' water, and now we're going to sit and see what happens. Right, how do you do that? Your drink time is while drinking. Wow, that was a close call. You almost filled this entire building, but not good. This is a Lego item I bought, and it's very tiny tent made from a relaxing film, and it can fit 2 minifigures inside. The purpose of the tent is to keep you from bad weather, right? So to see this is truly a legit tent, I'm going to test different types of weather conditions and see if it keeps the people inside dry and safe. I just simulated a giant rainstorm. Now let's see how this tent holds up to a massive snow avalanche. Then I'm going to simulate a mudslide. I just grabbed it outside my house. And finally, I'm going to simulate a sandstorm. And I'm going to our single wide see-through wall. So that was That's so sad. Rest in peace, concert. Honestly, that music was pretty trash anyway, so I'm not glad this is what happened. This next leg of Seven Lives is based off of the Aliens movie. It's a tiny airplane with a glizzy inside of the Aliens. But a natural disaster that planes need to be ready to undertake is bad turbulence, so let's see if this plane does its job and will safely transport these passengers. Well, the good news is that we landed, but the bad news is that we crashed. And for the final but biggest Lego set to destroy this video, I speed ran to the Lego store to help us run the Lego castle set with 1,000 pieces. After a full 24-hour cycle building, I had completed the set, and it had everything a castle could possibly need, from heavy knights to horses and even a drop of potion. Well, we're gonna put this to the test and see if it can keep the people safe from these natural disasters. In the world of Lego, I call natural disasters or routing for your child. So if you think I'm weird for acting like a child, just realize I have an excuse for content. A rowdy dog is now it's time for some actual natural disasters. So I started with a rainstorm and nothing really happened. So I took my Walkman into a 3D level and simulated a massive tsunami instead. And save the footage real back. This was actually really satisfying, and I'm not surprised how well the castle left without water. Still, nothing really happened, so I then went ahead and implemented a deadly hailstorm on the longest castle. I ran out of light, so I'm just gonna use one of these. But none of these natural disasters had damaged this castle in the slightest way, so I then went ahead and took my true Asian power and summoned the Midnight. Just when I thought I already had a lot to do with that after this video, now one more thing to that list. But the set was nice to look at when it was still together. I did the state I don't want to. I just moved to Houston, Texas, and want to be new people. So if you're another YouTuber or like a fan from the area, hit me up on Instagram. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.